Now the next important compound of calcium is cement. Cement, we all know, is the most important construction material, and without cement nowadays no construction is possible. Cement, we usually call it as a Portland cement because it resembles the limestone which are found in the Portland, England. It was introduced in England by Mr. Joseph in around about 1824. This cement is a very complex mixture of oxides of many elements. Like here in this, the calcium oxide is usually 50 to 60%. It contains silica SiO2 20 to 25%, aluminium oxide 5 to 10%, the magnesium oxide 2 to 3%, iron oxide 1 to 2%, small amount of sulfur trioxide as 1 to 2%. And what is most important to note in this is that for a very good quality cement, the ratio between silicon dioxide and aluminum oxide must be 2.5:4, and overall the ratio of the calcium oxide with the rest of the oxides of the other element must be 2:1. So almost always the maximum part of the cement is the calcium oxide. Now, how it is prepared? It is the raw material for cement is the limestone and clay, which provides us the aluminium oxide, silicon oxide, calcium and other oxides. Limestone gives us calcium oxide. These two, when crushed and heated at a very high temperature, it leads to the formation of cement clinkers. Now these cement clinkers are then mixed with gypsum 2 to 3% and crushed, and it gives the mixture called cement. Now cement is basically, therefore, can be called calcium silicate or iron silicate or calcium aluminosilicate. Now, the settling down of a cement. See, settling down of a cement, the cement settles down into a solid mass when mixed with water. This process is a hydration process. It's an exothermic process. It releases energy. The main purpose of adding gypsum is to slow down this process. Because slower is this process, the most easily or into a much harder solid mass the cement settles down. Now, this hydration process is the hydration of the oxides of aluminium, magnesium and iron, which leads to the formation of a very complex three-dimensional silicate structures, and that is why which gives this cement a three-dimensional solid strength. That is why because of this property, this cement is the main material nowadays being used for construction purposes.